All right, everybody, we made it to our last video. In example 5, or I don't even know if this is our 5th example or not, but we are going to use the discriminant to find a particular equation. So what value or values of b will cause 2x squared plus bx plus 18 equals 0 to have one real solution? So we just learned about the discriminant. This is the key. This is why we're going to be able to do this problem because we're going to have one real solution. When you get one real solution, that happens when your discriminant is equal to 0. So let's go ahead and write out our discriminant, b squared minus 4ac, and set it equal to 0. Let's plug in the values we have. We don't have our b value because that's what we're trying to figure out. So that's going to stay as a b squared. Minus 4 times a, well, a is the number with the x squared, so that's a 2, times c, that number on the end, which is 18, equals 0. So b squared, when we multiply these three numbers together, negative 4 times 2 times 18, you get a negative 144. So look at that. All we have to do is solve for b, and we'll be able to answer this question. Let's go ahead and add 144 to both sides. So b squared equals 144. We will take the square root of both sides. When we take the square root cancels the squared, so we have b equals. We need to remember that we get two solutions, plus or minus. Square root of 144 is 12. So our b value can be a 12, or our b value can be a negative 12. So that answers that part of the question. What value or values of b will cause this equation equal to 0 have one real solution? So let's go ahead and write out what those equations would be. We can just plug in our b value. So one equation would be 2x squared plus 12x, because that's a positive b, so plus 12x, I just plugged the b in right there, plus 18 equals 0. The second equation, if b is negative 12, you're still going to have your 2x squared, and then because b is negative, we're going to say minus 12x plus 18 equals 0. So those are the particular equations we could find with a discriminant equal to 0, and we were missing that b value.